Okay, so it's been a couple months since I've really had any time to jump into this. I've been in it a couple times, taking readings and going through it, but this 120 hertz buzz is still there, and I've been through every damn board on this thing. Even removed all the new filter caps and replaced it with the old ones. Checked some splices I made and some of the wiring, and nothing. All right, so you know, that audio forum is very helpful. A lot of good guys on there for a hobbyist like me. Again, you know, this is a hobby. You know, you learn as you go, and you know, I thought I would be able to find this, but this thing is hiding somewhere in here. I've been through every board over and over again. So anyway, long story short, I posted that I got some power supply transistors from eBay. Well, actually, I posted that you know, the power supply board. I had posted some pictures for some help, and somebody identified that, hey, those those MJE transistors look a little questionable. Some sharp eye was able to identify that the notches were off and the laser etching was off on the transistor. So again, you know, as a hobbyist, this is stuff that we're going to miss. Whereas somebody who actually, you know, is does this for a living, maybe, is able to identify that. So this is what is in there now. Both 33 and 32s look similar or identical, with the etching and the notches, and they read quite differently as well. So when you read this, well, let's show you the difference side by side first, though. So this is on the left, the counterfeit, and on the right, the real deal on semi from Mauser, or this one is from DigiKey. I don't think Mauser still has these in stock. Digi just got them back in stock. These have been out of stock for like 3 or 4 months. It's been ridiculous. So finally they came in the other week, and I placed an order before I went on vacation. So as you can see, somebody who identified that clearly knows what they're doing. They were able to say, hey, that etching is off and those notches shouldn't be there. So other than that, you know, to a novice hobbyist like me, I wouldn't question it if I got this in the mail. So 33 counterfeit on the left, and what it's supposed to look like on the right. So here we go. We'll go ahead and plug this guy in, and we'll see what the base emitter voltage or the VBE and the HFE look like. So HFE on the counterfeit is coming up as 207,605 with 6.2 milliamps as the current. All right. So we'll go ahead and we'll put the two on the top. The HFE and the VBE I think are going to be the most important, but 207,605. So not a huge difference, but I guess from my understanding is that once current is applied to these, that's where things drastically change. All right, so you know, testing it with a with a rechargeable like 3.2 volt battery, something in this little unit, and putting that through it compared to actual real life current, operating current, that's where these show a difference. So I'm going to replace the all of the MJEs on the power supply board. I'll have to take that back out again. I'm also going to go through the 031 board, since this feeds directly after, right off of, I believe it's what, 31 volt DC. I'd have to check the schematic. It's been a while since I looked at this. Coming in on pin 2 from the power supply.